The Crypto Markets Update is presented by Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager. Here's our live look at Bitcoin. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XVX index currently trading at 32,726. Bitcoin is slightly down about 3.5% over the past 24 hours. And the CoinDesk ETH price ETX index at 1839. ETH is plummeting for the day about almost 7%. According to the latest data out of CoinDesk prices. Joining us now to discuss the crypto markets and more is Gavin Michael, CEO of Bakkt, a digital wallet provider. Welcome to the show, Gavin. So during El Salvador President Nayib Bukele's address, we did actually see a bounce in Bitcoin. Now it seems to be coming down slightly over the past 24 hours. So what's going on?
So look, we're always watching the Bitcoin space. And given our business model, when we see volatility, given we're a place where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, we often see strong engagement during these times. So with that being said, regardless of the price, Bitcoin has really proven that it's here to stay and will continue to be a core cryptocurrency in the market. And that's been evident, we think, for some time. And our goal is really to connect this growing digital economy, from crypto to cash to rewards points to gift cards. And we're always looking to eliminate fees and, importantly, provide additional liquidity to consumers through this new digital economy, through these new digital assets.
So do you eventually see the price recovering back to previous all-time highs? You would imagine that this would be, what's happening in El Salvador would be a bullish event, but I suppose there are several headwinds like the crackdown in China, the Fed's potentially more hawkish outlook on interest rates.
So I think for us, when we look at it, what we're trying to do is establish a core platform that's allowing consumers to get easy access to the liquidity that they see in these digital assets. Importantly, when we think about that, and you mentioned the regulatory headwinds, we're doing it with a strong, secure backbone in the platform that we've created to allow those regulatory headwinds to almost be a competitive moat for us, to see advantage in the way in which we've engineered our platform to have those controls in its very core. But the goal of what we're doing here is really to change the game for digital wallets by bringing together all these sources of value that are not captured in traditional wallets.
So you specialize in payments. You're launching a Visa debit card. What comes to mind when you see this rollout of Bitcoin payments in El Salvador?
Well, I think you touched on it. This week we launched our Bakkt Visa debit card. And this is a fully virtual card that allows consumers to use their Bitcoin and cash balances to purchase everyday goods and services, whether that be online or in store. And I think what we're starting to do is to provide liquidity and access to these digital assets that were once hard to establish a liquidity opportunity and make it very, very easy. It means someone can see a significant gain in their Bitcoin, and instead of trying to sell and wait for a few days to transfer to a bank, they simply walk into their favorite store, tap their Bakkt card, and buy that new item they've been eyeing.
This is really what we've been striving for. On how the payments are rolling out in El Salvador?
Our focus right now is the US market. That's where we're domiciled, that's where we're licensed, and the app that we've launched is all really focused very much on what's happening here in the US market. Our drive and our goal, as I said, is to really harness the power of this growing digital economy and really connect the asset classes in a way that's very easy for consumers to get access to liquidity.